what's up guys? So today I had a decent day trading, and of course, you know, right after I'm done, all my moves started to make big moves. So again, like I said, I'm short bias regarding the market. I think the economy is shit. And despite what people say, it's going to get worse. Market's still going to reflect that, even though the quote-unquote risk has already been factored in. But most of that, I feel like, is probably done on the retail side, not on the institutional side. Meaning institutions are still holding back on investing, and so therefore, a lot of the pops that we're seeing, I feel like they're just retracements, pullbacks, whatnot. So anyway. That being said, my investment thesis has always been, you know, short the crappy commie stocks, and here you go, Baba and all the rest, which I've shorted basically all the major ones. Had a pop up on the daily level. So if we were to zoom in on the daily chart, you see that they all gapped up. So it's up here at one point. I shorted it just because it's a commie stock, and so took it on the short side. I was holding this level, so I took it on the short side. It dropped. I like to cover when it hits a major level of resistance. I covered it, popped back up, holding this level, shorted it again. It dropped. There's a level here at 101, so I covered it. As you can see, the level held well. It popped up again. This formed sort of a top level of resistance. Is holding it well, so I took it again after I see that it's been doing this for over 5 minutes. Took it on the short side. It dropped. And this is where I kind of made a mistake because, you know, the stock did gap up, so I was a little worried that this will pop on me. So I covered right at this level, the 101, where I've always covered the last couple of times. And then it did make a major move down to this other SMA before retracing a bit. But of course, you know, after that, it just did the move that I hoped that it would do, which is a major collapse. And now it's just like breaking down for Baba. And you see this pattern repeat itself with the other stocks that I traded. So like JD took on the short side, covered, added to my position, kept adding it when it was holding this level. It dropped, I covered, but now it just collapsed. So again, you know, my investment thesis is, this is as high as it would go. It's going to come back down just because it gapped up. There's really no major reasons for it to gap up. China's still in a lockdown. They're still doing stupid shit. But anyway, so that was that for JD. Same thing, PDD. Shorted it, added to my position, covered some, added more, covered all, because this one was not really doing much. PDD is just holding this level. But then it did drop on me, and so there you go. Well, that's pretty much it on my trade today. I made decent money, and so don't want to give it back. The market is actually kind of choppy today, so yeah, it's kind of choppy. Don't want to mess things up, and I'm gonna leave it the way it is. So anyway, hope you guys do well and have a good start of the week. All right, peace out.